Are you brothers?
No, we are just friends.
Who sent you?
John sent me.
How old is that?
It's about 5 years old.
Is anybody here?
Yes, I am here.
Who's hungry?
I am hungry.
Who did John bite?
John didn't bite anyone.
You called?
Yes, I called a while ago.
Was Sarah there?
Yes, Sarah was there.
Isn't Sarah great?
Yes, Sarah is great.
Who wants to go?
I want to go.
What was inside?
There was a book inside.
Can I work here?
Yes, you can work here.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
What am I doing?
You are reading a book.
How tall are you?
I am 5 feet 8 inches tall.
Who's screaming?
That's the neighbor's kid.
What has happened?
There was a small accident.
Who is he?
He is my brother.
Are those yours?
Yes, those are mine.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live here.
Were you there?
Yes, I was there.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Is everybody ready?
Yes, everybody is ready.
Where's Sarah been?
Sarah has been to London.
Are you all ready?
Yes, we are all ready.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Who cut the cake?
Maria cut the cake.
Are you worried?
A little bit, yes.
Where is the bank?
The bank is on Main Street.
Can I see that one?
Yes, you can see it.
Can I try it on?
Yes, you can try it on.
Which tooth hurts?
It's my back molar.
Is he a teacher?
Yes, he is a teacher.
Is this book Rams?
Yes, this book is Rams.
Who won?
The blue team won.
Are you a doctor?
No, I'm not a doctor.
How much is that?
That is $50.
Any questions?
No, I don't have any questions.
Who fell?
The little boy over there fell.
How deep?
It's about 10 feet deep.
Where's Sham gone?
Sham has gone to the market.
How old is Ram?
Ram is 32 years old.
Is Sarah here?
Yes, Sarah is here.
Are we done?
Yes, we are done.
What is his age?
He is 25 years old.
Is somebody there?
Yes, someone is here.
Is that blood?
No, it's just red paint.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Where's the knife?
The knife is in the kitchen.
Are we prepared?
Yes, we are fully prepared.
Where is Boston?
Boston is in Massachusetts.
How much is it?
It's $200.
What for?
It's for the charity event.
Then what?
Then we go home.
What is the price?
The price is $15.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What's happened?
There was a power outage.
How should I know?
You might have seen a news report.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you hate me?
No, of course not.
Who wants to know?
I'm just curious.
Do you have time?
Yes, I have some time.
Is he American?
Yes, he is American.
May I eat?
Yes, please go ahead.
Where will John go?
John will go to California.
What did you say?
I said I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Is Sonny home?
No, Sonny is not home.
Was Sid crying?
No, Sid was laughing.
Is this book yours?
Yes, that book is mine.
Who ate?
I ate.
Is Sid dreaming?
Yes, Sid is dreaming.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
Who is she?
She is my friend.
Who was it?
It was the mailman.
What's up?
Not much, just working.
Who are we?
We are a group of friends.
Who ran?
Mark ran the fastest.
Who's speaking?
That's Mr. Thompson speaking.
What do bees eat?
Bees eat pollen and nectar.
Is Sana satisfied?
Yes, Sana is satisfied.
Whose is this?
That's Jessica's.
Is anybody home?
Yes, I'm home.
What happened?
There was a small fire, but it's out now.
Can we keep it?
Yes, we can keep it.
Who'll drive?
I'll drive.
Is that all?
Yes, that's everything.
Is this your car?
Yes, this is my car.
Have you gone mad?
No, I haven't gone mad.
Can I eat?
Yes, you can eat now.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I do eat meat.
Is it near here?
Yes, it's just around the corner.
Who's that?
That's my neighbor, Tom.
Where are you?
I'm in the living room.
How old is he?
He is 40 years old.
Are you doctors?
No, we're not doctors.
Where are we now?
We're in Paris now.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
What do you want?
I want a cup of coffee.
Is it here?
Yes, it's here.
Who are they?
They are my colleagues.
Sham eat?
Yes, Sham ate already.
Did you speak?
Yes, I spoke earlier.
Was Sana here?
Yes, Sana was here.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Is the lake deep?
Yes, it's very deep.
Who has it?
Lisa has it.
What does it mean?
It means peace in another language.
Who cares?
I care.
What does it cost?
It costs $300.
Is Sunny well?
Yes, Sunny is very well.
Is the book boring?
No, it's quite interesting.
Can you breathe?
Yes, I can breathe well.
Where do you live?
I live in Chicago.
Who wants to know?
Just asking out of curiosity.
Why not?
Because I already have plans.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!